What's good? What's good? What's good? So I have a quick question. Have you been told credit cards are the devil? Stay away from credit. Don't ever touch a credit card. Just pay your bills on time. Your credit score is going up. This and that. So I just want to debunk that saying. I just want to put that saying to rest. I don't want to show you how simply this credit card right here is making me an extra $1,000, $2,000 by just selling these Jordans right here. And I want to show you how you can do the same thing. So you already know what time it is. Let's get right into it. Welcome back to the #1 credit educational channel. Hey, my name is Dave, where I show you how to remove negative items off your credit report, how to build a relationship with those banks, and how to get to that money. So in today's video, I just want to show you how you can leverage a credit card and start generating cash flow, right? I'm also going to show you how you can qualify for a credit card so you can basically start using other people's money to start making you money, so you can sell shoes like these and make an extra $1,000, $2,000 a month just by selling these little shoes right here, right? It's all about being creative. It's all about doing different things to start making money. And I'm gonna just show you my experience of what I'm doing to start making an extra $1,000, $2,000 a month by just leveraging credit to buy these simple shoes right here. So I just want to give you a quick lesson real quick. Most banks look at the FICO 8, right? So the FICO 8 is what most banks look at. So to qualify for a credit card, you want to know what most banks are looking at. So most banks are looking at the FICO 8, and the highest credit score you can have is the 850, and the lowest credit score you can have is the 300. That means you have 550 points to play with when it comes to your credit. So I'm gonna put that right here. 850 is the highest credit score you can have, right? And the lowest credit score you can have is a 300, right? So that means you have 550 points to play with when it comes to your credit. I know I talk about this all the time, but I just want to give you a quick education. So most banks are looking at the FICO 8. That means payment history is 35% of your score. Utilization is 30% of your score. Average age is 15% of your score, right? Credit mix is 10% of your score. The new credit is 10% of your score, right? You're probably thinking about why all this matters. So most banks, to qualify for a credit card, most banks are pulling your FICO 8 score. So you want to make sure your credit score or your actual credit profile is lined up to actually qualify for a credit card, so you can start making money to buy, buy these shoes and not using your cash, but using other people's money to buy shoes. So payment history, right? You want to make sure you're at 100% payment history when it comes to applying for a credit card. You never want to ever miss a payment, right? Because most likely you won't qualify for the credit card. Your utilization, the average is 30%, right? But you want to stay below 10% so you can get the max out of that credit card, so you can qualify for a $10,000, a $20,000, or $15,000 credit card. If you're, if you have high utilization, most likely you'll get denied for the credit card. Average age, you want to make sure you have at least 6 months of average age on your credit report, right? They're not going to basically approve you if you just started out building credit. They might approve you for like $1,000, $2,000, but to basically start buying shoes and start leveraging other people's money, you want to have at least a $2,000, $3,000 credit card to start using, a credit card to make you start making some money. So new credit, credit mix, 10% of your score, right? You want to have different type of accounts. We all been told credit cards are the devil, but you need revolving credit, right? You need to have a credit card and you need to have installment loans, right? So installment loans are your personal loans, student loan, car loan. Your revolving credit are your regular store card, credit cards. Those different type of cards is considered a revolving account. New credit, it's okay to add new credit, but basically hard inquiries, it's okay to start looking for credit, but you just don't want to look thirsty when it comes to credit. So this is just a simple, brief education how you can basically qualify for a credit card. And then I'm about to show you how to start making some money with using this credit card. Now that y'all got a quick lesson, now I'm gonna show you how to start cash flowing by leveraging other people's money, credit card, right, to start making some money. So I'm gonna tell you my experience. So I'm in the military, I'm in the United States Navy, and I go recruit all the time. And I go to different malls, I go to the outlets, and that's where most young people hang out. So I go there and talk to different kids, and I noticed when I walked into Foot Locker, Foot Action, Finish Line, they started having Jordans, every now and then. So I was like, people love Jordans, and these people love these retros. So I went and copped them, and I noticed that they were selling for $200, $250 online, and I paid like $120, $130, $140 for these shoes, and they're selling for like $200. Now that's an extra, or $250. That's an extra $100 I'm making. So I was like, I went to Foot Action, Finish Line, and Foot Locker, and I asked the store manager, the sales associate, how many shoes I can buy at a time. They told me 3, so I bought 3 pairs from Foot Action. I bought 3 pairs from Finish Line. And I bought 3 pairs from Foot Locker. And that was 9 pair of shoes, and I made an extra $1,000 by just leveraging this credit card right here, using other people's money. I didn't use my cash, I used the credit card because I get points when I use this credit card. So it's a win-win situation. And then I sold them online on StockX, OfferUp, eBay, and those different type of platforms where you can sell shoes. So I noticed that I started making money every single month. And I was like, So I started going to the malls and looking, and I saw more Jordans. Some Jordans, you know, not everybody bought all the Jordans because they really don't sell it that quick, because nowadays, you know, since the COVID-19, that most people can't buy everything, so they just got them in the stores and only can take 1 pair at a time. So some stores, like I'm in the military, so I just go during the daytime and I see what's left over and I just go buy them. And every single month, I'm making money after money after money. And you can do the same thing by just going to the mall and see what's on StockX, and you can leverage. You can actually go to the you can actually go to the Nike store and leverage the StockX app and see what's selling right there. So go to the Nike store, go to the Adidas outlet, go to the different type of outlets, see what's on sale, leverage that. My friend's doing the same thing. I saw him. He's killing it right now. He's going to the Nike outlet. He's going to the Adidas outlet. He's going to all these outlets, and they selling them from cheap, but on StockX, they're worth $200, $300. And you can do the same thing by just leveraging the power of credit. We all been told credit cards are the devil, but you can start making money. You start making cash flow, an extra $1,000, $2,000 from here and there and there, and start making some money. So it's really simple. All you got to do is just be creative and start thinking of different ideas. You can actually, you know, buy a lawnmower on your credit card, go cut some grass. You can do certain things, go wash cars. You just gotta think differently. Like I said before, you just gotta be creative. There are different ways, different type of ideas you can do to start making you some money. You don't gotta make it up. You can see what people are doing right now that's generating cash flow. You can go on Turo, you can go on Airbnb, you can do Shopify, you can do Amazon, you can do all type of things to start making you some money, right? DoorDash, Uber, Lyft. Start making extra money right now, using that extra cash flow, and basically buy certain things, sell them, resell them, and make you some money. If you're not working right now, go Uber, go Lyft, go do different things to start making you money. Go wash cars, cut some grass, do something, right? There's certain things you can start doing right now. Go watch people's kids. People right now need a babysitter. So go be a babysitter. Do something. Start making some money. There are different ways you can start making money. And I'm going to show you the Turo play. Right now, I got the BMW i8, right? And I'm going to show you how I'm leveraging my i8 to start making me money every single month. Like I said, I'm going to show you how to make money. I'm going to show you how to build credit. I'm going to show you how to build relationships with banks. So there are different things you can do, and I'm going to show you step by step by step. I'm going to give y'all the game. I'm not, stingy with the information. I'm not stingy. I just want to show y'all what I'm doing so you can do the same thing. So before you leave, I have a free gift. If you need help fixing your credit, if you need a step-by-step play by showing you how you can fix your credit, just click the link in the description. I'll show you step by step how you can basically fix your credit so you can improve your credit to qualify for one of these credit cards so you can start generating some money by leveraging these shoes, right? Also, if you want my team to do it, you can go ahead and schedule a free call, a free 20-minute call, and my team will get on the phone and show you step by step on how we can work together to basically improve your credit. And then if you want a consultation with me and my partner, you can click the link in the description below, schedule a call, and we'll give you some plays, answer your questions, whatever you want to do. So click the link below. I'll see y'all on the other side of good credit.